this is your home,
Yes.
and this is your backyard, and you have a sawmill on your backyard.
An accidental sawmill.
An accidental sawmill. How come?
It was an accident because when we moved here about 15 years ago, we moved on site with a caravan and built our home. And where we had to build the house, we had to fell about 4 or 5 old oak trees that were in bad condition. And we assumed that we'd be able to sell them, but the industry in Scotland is such that unless you have a lorry load of good quality oak for export to England or for Europe, there was no local demand for just a few trees. So we ended up using them ourselves in the house, mainly for flooring and other things.
Yeah.
And then from that started a hobby of using trees from the woodland around us and converting them and kiln drying them. And gradually that hobby became a business and became what we are now. There's 9 people employed here altogether. It's now a community business. We are in fact a Scottish charity since about 8 years ago. And that we set it up that way because that's what my wife and I wanted to do.
But you have another aim with this operation than cutting timber.
Yes, it's set up as a social enterprise.
Yeah.
So the profits from the mill go back into local community projects. The whole idea was our strapline is to revitalise the local woodland economy, local woodland culture for the benefit of the economy, the community and the environment.
There's no kind of book you can read or things you can study or course, so it's really a case of learning off other people.
Yeah.
So for that it's ideal.
Yeah.
And we work a lot with ashes simply to enlarge the sector, to make the sector more robust, stronger within the industry.
Because as you say, we're quite a small thing here, but if we could duplicate it across Scotland, then we'd have something more akin to what happens in the rest of Europe with wee sawmills everywhere.
Yeah. So basically it's about changing the world.
Absolutely.